Hey guys, what is up? If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you guys are an OG, welcome back. My name is Gigi for those that don't know. If you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified every time I post. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Also, in my tutorials, they do consist of reviews, makeup, beauty, skincare, and fun things like that. If you guys are into that type of stuff, then you guys are in the right place. So in today's tutorial, I will be reviewing the new Norvina Volume 4 palette. It's so freaking cute, you guys. This is how the palette looks. Very, very pretty. I love the packaging. So nice. So this palette is amazing. It's super gorgeous. How the palette looks. Very, very beautiful. I'm obsessed with how this look came out. It's just so bold and bright. And I will be reviewing the new Norvina Electric Cake Liners. And these are it. Very, very cute. So I just love this whole concept of how they stack up and, you know, open up like a little swerve, you know. I just like that. I like how easy it is. So yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. We're going to be reviewing some products, some new products that I received. I am so hyped, you guys. Like, you guys don't even know. So, I'm going to be using the ABH Norvina Collection Electric Cake Liners. So, this is one of them. This is so pretty, you guys. Look how cute. And this is the other one. Super, super pretty, you guys. So I know I look a little dusty, musty, crusty, whatever, but we gonna look cute, I promise. Just kidding. I'm all saying I'm all cute. No, I'm just playing. No. But I am so excited. So I'm gonna take them out of the packaging so that way you guys can take a good look at it. So these are the cake liners. Look how pretty this is. So this is one of them, and it's like a little stack like this. And it opens, like she said, like she's like really obsessed with like Transformers. So it's like it goes like, hold on, it goes like near. How cute. I love it, you guys. This is the first one, and then it just closes like near. How cute. This is the second one. This one has to be like my favorite one because it does have like super, super bright color. Like it has a pink one and a yellow and a neon green. Again, you just open the top like this. It has a mirror also, you guys. How cute is that? Like, that's awesome that it comes with a mirror. Like, I love that. This is cute, you guys. I hope it's focusing, you guys, because I cannot see. Let me see. So this is this one. Okay, so this one I already like messed up. So sad, but it's gonna be okay because I'm gonna use it. So this is how it looks. This is the one I messed up kind of right here. So freaking cute. I love it. I'm so excited. I'm like already obsessed. I know you guys are gonna hear obsessed a lot. So at the touch, it feels like kind of like squishy a little bit. I just matched my top, and yeah, I wanted to match it with the packaging because this is like a light baby pink, but this is the new Norvina. The new Norvina Volume 4, you guys. So it's a nice soft packaging right here. Looks like this when you open it. It does come with a mini little primer. You guys already know that I'm obsessed with this primer. So yeah, it's so freaking cute. I love it. I love, 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 love it. She's so pretty. And I always am obsessed that it has like a little tab right here to open the package so you won't like rip it, because sometimes when it doesn't have that little tab right there, this one right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this one right here, then you open it and it's like you rip the package. Same as the packaging, so it's the same like this. It comes in a plastic, like a nice durable plastic packaging. Love it. It's like shiny and it's not gonna get dirty, so you can just easily wipe it off, like any fingerprints or anything. So that's good. It does come with a large, like I'm saying, like a huge, huge mirror. Look at this mirror, you guys. She's huge. She's like the whole package, like the whole palette. So pretty. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I'm not sure if you guys are ready. Like, she's cute. She's a cute one. I love her. Look at how cute this palette is. This palette is perfect for like an everyday, and you could add like, there's pops of pink, pops of purple, there's a pop of yellow right there. You have your glitters and stuff, so like your shimmers. 2 pressed glitters, I believe, right? And then this shimmers. I think I want to dig in. I barely tapped it because I'm like, I don't want to ruin it, but she's right there. That was E3. So this is E2. Cute. I'm going to do a talk through. So I'm going to be taking the ABH eye primer. I'm using one that's almost over, like almost done. It's like a full size. I've had it for like a while now, so it does last a long time. It does have a lot of product in there. So I want to do like a pink look. Okay, so for the first shade, I am going to be taking E5. It's the hottest pink in the palette. It's this one right here. So I'm going to start packing it on. Whoa, what? Do you guys see that? Damn, girl, she is pigmented. Okay. Okay, Norvina, I see you. I did not expect anything less with this because her shadows are just, they're just gorgeous. They're so pigmented. They're like high pigmentation, like gorgeous. I'm going to pack this on all over my lid. We're going to be doing a cut crease moment because cut creases are just my faves. So there's a little bit of kickback, but like I said, like I never mind about like kickback on any of the shadows because that just means that they're just super, super pigmented. So like I do not mind about that. So, and kickback is like fallout. Okay, so she's packed and gorgeous. I'm gonna do one eye on camera and then the other one off camera. Okay, so I'm gonna be starting off with this eye. So I'm gonna be taking the shade C2 just to blend that one out. It's just like the pink. It's like the lighter version of that one. It's so pretty, this one right here. She's like a softer neon. She's cute. Okay, I really like this shade. It's really pretty. You probably can't tell the difference on camera, but they are different. I'm going to leave it like that. Now I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to take the M224 brush to cut it. I'm going to use the ABH primer to cut the crease. I like pinch it. And then I just pick a product on both sides, like back and forth like that. I'm going to stamp it like I always do. I just feel like it just works better that way for me. And then I just fill it in. I'm going to be taking the shade A2. It's such a pretty shade. Look, I'm going to put it on my finger. Look at this. I'm taking A3 with my M507 brush to blend in that shade. And I'm going to take the color C2. So I'm going to be taking E5 all over right here, and that way it could just blend. C2, and I'm just going to put it like all up, like up to my eyebrows. You could just wing it out if you want. I think I want to add this glitter right here. It is, let me see, what color is this one? Yeah, I think I want to add glitter. It's the E2 glitter right here. This one, the one I think I showed you guys. I'm not sure, but I want to add that glitter to the outer part of my lid. And this is a pressed glitter, so it doesn't need any glue. I love glitters like that. You don't need any glue. You just place it on wherever you want to place it, and you're good to go. Just adding more C2 on top of the glitter, like just the edge, the corner, just to blend it good. So I'm going to be using the ABH liquid eyeliner. You guys already know this is my all-time favorite eyeliner. So I'm not going to talk, guys, because then I'm going to mess up, but I'm going to do a wing. So I do want to use the cake liners. I don't smell anything. I don't smell anything on this. And then this one has a little smell. I'm going to mix the purple and white, and I'm going to make a lavender color. That's what I love about this, that she incorporated a white, because you could actually make your own colors. These cake liners are water activated, so I am going to be taking my M250-1 brush, and I'm going to be dipping it in. So I could feel like these liners are not drying at all. Like they're kind of a little squishy, a little, like you could feel them, you know, they're not like stiff or anything. Going in with the white, and you can just play around with it right there. So I'm just gonna go in with the white shade, and this is how it looks. Very opaque. Look at that, it's very white. So this is not the color, so I'm gonna show you guys the color of it. So I'm mixing mine. Yep, I got it. Okay, so this is the color that I'm gonna be making, this lavender color right there. And don't worry, you could go over with the black and stuff if you mess up. So I'm gonna go back in with my black liner just to fix the imperfections that I messed up a little bit. And I'm looking at them and they're not cracking, which is awesome. Alright, so this is the completed eye. I love how it came out. I'm going to be popping on some lashes, and they are the Beauty Creation lashes, and are the lashes that I'm going to be taking. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm going to be doing the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back, like real quick. So I actually am in love with this look. It looks really cute, and the pop of that liner that I did, cute. Okay, so right now what I'm gonna do is do my foundation. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking for my foundation the Dose of Colors foundation. What's new, you guys? Just a little bit, just in the T-zone right there. I'm a little bit, shh. I just love foundation, like, it's good. So I'm gonna go in with Cara Beauty, and this is their micro contour pencil in the shade medium. So it looks like this, you guys. I have oily combination skin, and this works perfect for me. I'm about to be on my 4th bottle. I did purchase another one, so this is the bomb. I'll be setting my face with the ABH banana powder, you guys. This powder is bomb. Okay, so I'm going to be taking the color E5 and just going in with that, smoking it. I'm going to be taking my new highlighter, and it's from Dose of Colors times Katie and Desi. I've been wanting this highlighter for such a long time, and it's the shade Fuego. Look how pretty that is. It's cute. So I got it in the shade Fuego. Just a pretty highlight. It looks like it melts in your skin. Like, I don't know. See how pretty that is? Oh my god. And you could make it even more intense, but it's really nice. Lipstick by Dose of Color, and this is like the Mickey collection, and this is in the shade Rockin' It. I am obsessed with this lip gloss. It looks like this. It's super, super pretty. And I am taking the Lash Brag mascara by Anastasia. This mascara is amazing. This is so bomb. I love it. Okay, so for the final thoughts on the new Norvina Volume 4 palette, I absolutely love it. I know I just used like a couple of shades and stuff, but I already know that this palette is going to be one of my favorites, and I'm going to be using it a lot and doing a bunch of looks with it. So I'm so excited. The shimmers, the pressed glitters are bomb. The shades are hella pigmented. Could I say hella? Hella pigmented. And I'm beyond so proud, like seriously. And if you guys loved the original Norvina, like the one with the purple, this is just the bigger sis pretty much, because she is a baddie. Like, I'm just looking at the palette and I just see so many looks. I could create so many looks. Like, it's just so cute. If you guys haven't got your hands on any of the palettes, I say get your hands on this one if you are like a more softer type of girl and likes a little bit of pops of color. I say yes, get this palette. I absolutely recommend it. So yeah, this palette is going to be available on May 11th, so I just had to create a look. And this is like a fun, cute little look. I love pinks and purples. Those are my favorite colors. And I think this is a yes, and I am obsessed. I'm obsessed with this whole color scheme, this color story right here. It's just very beautiful, and I could do some swatches. Okay, so I'm gonna swatch D4. I love this shade because it's like a baby yellow, and it just looks really pretty and pigmented. Show you guys A3. Look how pigmented that is, you guys. So pretty. E1. Looks like this. C3. This one looks really pretty, you guys. Look at that. Damn! So pretty, you guys. I love it. So I'm going to show you some shimmers. These are some of the shimmers. Gorgeous, you guys. So now moving on to the cake liner. So I really liked that I could create my own color, and yeah, you guys can make it like pastel colors if you guys want. It just came out super cute. I really enjoyed the cake liners. I am so excited to try out these neon ones, but today I wanted to do like a soft, cute little pinky girly look, so I did go with this look. But I will be using this stack. But I'll be using more of these cake liners. These are really nice and they go smooth. They cost $30 for a stack, and I think they are worth it because these ones actually like glow in the dark and they're super neon and beautiful. I do like that it's not like drying and stuff. I actually did like it. I did enjoy it, and you can make it as thin as you want the consistency or thicker, but they didn't crack, so that's impressive because I feel like with other liners, the thicker you make them, they crack, and yeah, they just don't look good, but these ones didn't crack. If you guys want to splurge and you guys have the money, get both, but if you guys can get only one, get one that you're going to actually use and stuff. So yeah, these are really cute. I love how they open up and stuff, so that's how it looks because I did mix it. I'm going to clean it though, so it won't have like purple in there. And my purple one, this is how mine looks now because I did use it and I did mix colors within the palette. But next time probably I'm gonna like scoop it up a little bit with a clean brush and put it like on my hand and stuff and mix it on my hand. So yeah, but I didn't have any trouble with it. This one doesn't have any smell. The other one does have a scent. It does smell, I can't describe the smell, but it has like a little scent right there. Look, my next look, I will be using this stack, you guys. So I'm excited. Yeah, I'm super happy with everything. I'm happy with my palette, my cake liners. So if you guys want to try it out, you guys already know, May 11th, you guys gotta go get it. So again, that is it for my tutorial. I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to do more looks using this palette and the cake liners. But yeah, until next time, I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys. Bye.